Hey guys, welcome back to Ashley's Homestead Adventures. This morning we have a split day today. First of all, in case I forget to tell you, I get to groom dogs today, so we have a split day in case you guys see me after work and I have to change clothes or whatever. And that's been happening kind of frequently lately, and I just keep forgetting to tell you guys, I say good morning to you in the morning, and then before you know it, it's like evening chores. And that's just because I have split days and I do some of my vlog in the morning and then some in the afternoon when I get off work. But this morning I'm going to start out by showing you one of those things that I tell you that most people don't show you, but I will show you. I'm going to show you my farm stand plants that died. So I am at the groom shop and this is the farm stand, and these are the farm stand plants. These are tomatoes and peppers that I quit watering because it was too late. People were not buying them. I didn't have room for them in my garden, and so I just let them die. And now they're going to go to the chickens and then back into the compost, and they'll feed the farm. I brought my wheelbarrow out here and it's got some peppers that were not good enough, had bugs or had a rot spot or a crack or whatever. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up. I'll show you. Look at these plants. Aren't they just absolutely, these plants have brought me so much joy. And these hanging baskets were $90. So $22.50 a shot is what these baskets ended up costing me. And then of course sweet potato vines. This is one for, 2 by 2 inch container of a sweet potato plant, and it does not stop. At this point, I'm just letting it go. At this point, I've become a cheerleader for the sweet potato vine, and I'm like, you know what, you go sweet potato vine. Let's see how big we can grow you before the end of the summer, before the frost comes. I've cut that thing back, well, all of them I've cut back 3 times, and they've all grown back. So here, if anybody was wondering about our lemon trees, they're still here. We have about 17 of them left, and they are just here at the farm stand growing. They're going to be going in here real soon because we are getting lower temperatures than what they like. So they'll be going in real soon, but here is what we have left of them. And here's the mess. So I'm gonna get in on this and get these to the chickens and get this area cleaned up, this eyesore. It just happens. These things happen to all of us gardeners, all of us farm stand people, all of us nursery people. Anybody that, if you go grow plants from seeds, this happens. It just doesn't embarrass me to show you because it's life. I've got a farm to take care of, and these seedlings, there's probably, I don't know, $1.25 worth of seeds there, and they weren't going to get sold, and I didn't have room for them. I've got 80 tomato plants in my own garden. So anywho, here I go. Can I give you a better spot to be? Because you're like right where I'm leaning over and you scared the bejesus out of me. Can I give you somewhere to go? Will you let me hold you and take you somewhere? Huh? Please? Okay, thank you. Let me just, don't freak out. Don't freak out. Here. There you go. Go ahead. Go ahead. There you go. All right, you're safe there. Oh, look at that. There's 2 more out. This is on the other side of the farm stand. They're just hanging out. Good morning. All right, that is much better, much cleaner looking table, and I will take the victuals to the chickens and get my trays and my cups taken back to the garage. Here's all my cups over here. Well, I told you guys it was going to be a split day. It is afternoon. I am off work, and I am out here headed to go do chicken chores. And the first thing that I need to do, I have salt and oyster shells, and I'm gonna take them to naughty. I'm gonna take them to the big coop, Mike's coop, which is the barred rocks. But as you can see, we have a naughty blue bander. Somebody's gonna get their wing feathers trimmed today, so I gotta catch that little guy and get it back where it needs to go. Hello, ladies. Would you like some salt? Some oyster shells. All right, ladies, I'm coming. Hi, girls. Hello, ladies. Hi, pretty girl. All right, which one of you wants to go over with the color flock? You? Thank you, ladies, for the eggs. Hello. Hi, you guys. Hi. Just here for housekeeping purposes. Let me get you guys some water. I already put your food in. Come on out, it's okay. It's just me. All right, waters are clean. And I went ahead and raised their feeders. Now I'm just gonna double check and make sure they can reach them, which they can, no problem. They're getting a lot of bedding in their feeders, so that's the joy of having them hung on these ropes here, is I can just adjust the tallness of them for the batch of chicks. Yum. Apple cider vinegar water, huh? Yeah. They got a dose of apple cider vinegar in their water today. Not for any reason. All these guys look really healthy. Just as a preventative. Little extra probiotic. Very cute little batch of chicks. Pullets and cockerels at this point. They are 6 weeks old, going on 6 weeks old. Pretty cute. Okay, it's time to get these chicks taken care of, which you can't see because they're all under the heat plate right now. And I only have the light on just so that you guys can see. I don't use that light as a heater anymore. The heat plate does a sufficient job. So I'm gonna get their food and water changed out and all right, food and water is restored. Now let's move on to big animal chores. I got all of the grains made up for Chance and Grace and Josie and Maggie and Velvet. Everybody that needs it has a great big pile of hay in the corner of their stalls. Now I am just going to move on to watering back here behind the barn, and waters for the horses and stalls for the horses. Oh, hello, naughty heifer. How are you? I'm pretty sure that's hay I see sticking out of your mouth. Yes, ma'am. Yeah? You still got hay left over? Yeah? You and all your sidekick criminals keep coming over and digging up my carrot bed. Yeah? You alright for this evening? Okay. She is such a hoot. I don't know what, it's gonna feel pretty lonely around here without a cow. I mean, it'll be nice in a lot of aspects because it'll be one less animal to feed, but she's definitely been a personality that I will miss when she's no longer with us. Just watering the carrot bed that I was just talking about. The chickens keep digging it up, but we do have lots of carrots growing back here. So, and these are carrots that are horse treats for the horses. It's fun to come out and pick a fresh carrot and feed it to the horses. It isn't a romantic job on the farm, but it is one that needs to be done. There is always poop to pick up. One that is romantic, though, is snack time. Good snack rescue. Yeah. Yummy, huh? You're late. You're welcome. Teenage boys. Can't live with them and you can't live without them. Yoo-hoo! I hope you guys are having a great day. I really enjoyed taking you along with me on mine, and I will catch you on the next one. Yours truly.